In the wild, few animals are as cheeky as the Japanese macaques. Known for their love of hot springs, these monkeys don't just relax. They also take the occasional snowball fight. They'll throw snow at each other, proving that even primates enjoy a playful brawl. Meanwhile, the capuchin monkey is quite the opportunist, renowned for stealing your snacks right out of your hands. Did you know they can even use tools? They can crack nuts using stones, making them nature's little inventors. And let's not forget the playful otters, who hold hands while sleeping to avoid drifting apart. How adorable is that? These charming antics remind us that laughter exists in every corner of the animal kingdom.